So long, silver rounds. Get back in your tube. I spent my entire paycheck on this silver. It finally showed up. Let's get right into it. Ever since silver reached that all-time high, I am holding off, and I'm really going for large amounts. Money metals, thank you. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. That is dense already. You could hear it. That's a sound that you want to hear. Get this black box open. Oh, I can see already. Right there, that's what you want. At the top of this video, I said, so long to those silver rounds, because I knew this was coming. It's really sealed tight. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Now, of course, I could have gone with the new 2026 Kings, but it feels so nice. I'm always a sucker for the Queen. Here you go. This is a full tube, 2016s. I'm really into the maples lately, and it's mainly, look at how well it pops on camera. That's really why I got into the maples. A full tube of maples. Let's get them all out. Whew. That's the silver snake that you want in your hand. So exciting. I love it. A full tube. These days, as you know, even with the correction in silver price, getting a full tube is, I'm not kidding, that's an entire paycheck at least. Full paycheck. Wait, there's more in here. I knew there'd be some loose ones here. Should be told there's 25. There's 25. It's not like a tube of Eagles. A tube of Eagles, you get 20 ounces, 20 coins, 20 ounces. For maples, it's 25. So I got 20. I got 2 extra, 27 in total. No meaning in the number 27. It's just really, it's what I could afford. So 2 extra maples right there. Here's the big boy. This is what I've really been waiting for. Watch this. Look at this. There it is. This one I'm going to open carefully because it's so pricey. There you go. 1 ounce American Gold Eagle. These days, hey, look, it's not 2022. It's not 2023 anymore. These Gold Eagles are a big hit to the wallet. So when I say putting a full paycheck into precious metals, that is a full paycheck and then some. Right, everything is really expensive these days, and it's so satisfying. There's nothing like it. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is sold in this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was William B. from Laneville, Texas. There have been months where no one has claimed the prize. I can't believe I'm saying this. Money Metals sends out the winning email every month. People are not opening the winning email. Click that link below. Do not leave 20 eagles sitting on the table, and hit subscribe so you hear me announce the winner every month.